Assalamu alaikum. Good evening to dear guest of honor, facilitator and research enthusiast participants. Welcome to your most desired webinar on mastering research presentation, engaging audiences beyond academia. I am MD Ashikquer Rahman, today's program host of the B-Researcher World Forum BRWF platform from the Bangladesh University of Business and Technology. It's my pleasure to host this important program. Before diving into the main program, I will introduce the B-Researcher World Forum BRWF platform, its mission, vision, and activities. B-Researcher World Forum BRWF is an online-based non-profit open platform directed by some world-class scholars tirelessly working to promote research and guide young researchers all over the world. We are happy to inform you that we are now a family of more than 73,000 plus members, including a Facebook group, page, LinkedIn, and YouTube channel within 4 years only. Its vision is to leverage research in higher educational institutes for sustainable development all over the world. This noble effort was initiated by MD Sabir Hossain sir in 2020, who is working as a faculty member at the Department of Computer Science and Engineering of Chittagong University of Engineering and Technology, CUET, Bangladesh. This platform assists researchers with different activities such as conducting online, offline free training courses, arranging seminars, workshops, or webinars, sharing research-related resources such as books, papers, webinars, websites, research collaboration, supervision, arranging internship opportunity, etc. We have conducted numerous courses, training, webinars, seminars, workshops, etc. on research paper writing, publication, and higher study related issues. There are more than 500 lectures, tutorial available on the BRWF YouTube channel. Also in BRBD, B-Researcher BD, that is the Bangladesh chapter of BRWF. Today's webinar on mastering research presentations, engaging audiences beyond academia has been organized in continuation of this. This webinar will cover the following topics: tailoring research communication for general audiences, funders, and investors, structuring a compelling narrative to highlight key research insights, designing visuals that enhance your message and maintain engagement, delivering confident, impactful presentation, and handling question answer effectively. So this webinar will cover the professionally presenting research presentation by engaging the audiences. Now I am going to introduce today's webinar facilitator, Mr. Andy Churchill, before starting his lecture. Since 2014, Dr. Churchill's work has been focused on helping researchers present more effectively. This work has included training nearly 10,000 researchers while delivering over 500 workshops and coaching over 100 different speaking events for everything from university 3MT competitions and in-depth research showcases to personal elevator pitch and entrepreneurial startup competitions. He also helps graduate students with dissertation, defense, and job talks, as well as senior professors with important keynotes. His focus is helping each researcher find their own unique voice while developing a talk that is accessible while still rigorous and engaging while still professional. Speakers he has coached have won numerous awards, none more prestigious than being recognized as the 2022 Canadian and North American 3MT champion. Now I am requesting Mr. Andy Churchill to start the webinar.